Hey guys, welcome to Mount Rushmore Crypto. Here is my Avalon 1166 Pro, and I've never had this thing mining. It's been trouble since day one. When I received it, it was broken, and I had to do some repairs on it with some of the mounts for the board. And I'll list the updates for the repairs I had to do below. But I want to try to get this thing going again. And I'm going to undo these. It's been so long I forgot how to get inside of this thing. There. Okay, what I want to do is replace the control board in it. And I've already got into mining a couple years ago and got in when it was going pretty good. I bought some ASICs, S9s, and I bought the L3 Plus and Plus Plus, and then got into GPU mining, and then shortly after that everything went south. After the Ethereum merge, well, you know how it goes. Got those, all the wires. Okay, and take it down in the mining shack, which is the garage. And we're powered up. See what happens.
No dice, no joy, no hash. And that's what it looks like. Flashing. Got a red dot on the power supply. 3 red lights on the hash board there. It's not hashing. I'll put the log down below or attached somewhere so you can have a look at it. So if you can, help me find out what the problem is with this thing. And I'll do you a favor in the future. Thanks for watching. Never again will I buy one of those. Right, little buddy? Mr. B's tired of it.